大家好，我是珊瑚，欢迎来到我的频道。今天我们打算去 Universal Studio 这个地方我们好久没去了，所以现在 reopen 以后，真的很想去玩，小孩子也很想去玩。那我们现在在路上，等到那里再和大家来 update 吧。大家看看 LA downtown 靠近 downtown 的堵车的状况。现在我们就是一路上停停走走，停停走走，就在这里。我们快要到了。 现在开始走红毯。这里又一道方格。现在来到这个哈利波特的景点了，这个看上去很有 feel 啊。 在哈利波特里面等这个 ride， 排队的。所有的画都是可以动的，哦，好 creepy 啊！这个哈利波特怎么说呢？如果说平时你有那种晕车晕船的话，坐那个哈利波特就会有那种感觉。我当时刚开始坐的时候，就是有点那种恶心的感觉，主要是跟我这段时间，就是因为还是这个呼吸嘛，胸口有点闷。我女儿做完呢，她是觉得有些想吐，所以这个 ride 也是要看人。如果平时就是比较容易晕车晕船的话，虽然它是 Universal 最 hot 的 ride 也是要考虑一下，可能坐上去不会舒服，因为它是比较那个 shaking 的，它就是翻来翻去、翻来翻去的那种感觉。
travel party and others.
More time? This time it's gonna be for the corn.
刚才做了一个 ride 出来了，他现在呢等的时间还是蛮长的，这也蛮长。等的时间长，还有一个原因就是他有些 ride 里面都是空开坐的，你看这一排坐的人，第二排它就是空的，等的时间会比较长的原因。 不过人也是确实是蛮多的。
I do not need help. No, get it? Stop. No.
You hear that? Katie! Katie!
座位都是有空个，大家都是健开坐的，有专门的人告诉你要坐在哪里。
Here we go.
那个电影的场景去看一看，餐馆有指定的 table 可以在那里吃东西，其他地方呢就是基本上都没有吃东西，没有 drink， 大家都是戴着口罩的。看看后面等的人。
On stage 12. As you see on the side of the building, this is actually the soundstage for The Voice, Steven Spielberg's blockbuster thriller Jurassic Park. On your left-hand side, you'll be seeing sound stages for the actors, production crew, and everything. These can be used for a lot of amazing things, such as wardrobe, also makeup. Even my favorite thing can be right out here, everyone. It's called catering. Right behind you, you're going to see these production bungalows right here. These are used by the top writers, producers, and directors. They utilize these very bungalows to come up with all of their amazing plans that they have for their filming. They're some of the newer ones because how we do it on our lot is for our sound stages. It's normally just a sound stage. These new ones actually have the office buildings and the buildings in front of it, so that way they can do whatever office work they need in the front, and the sound stages are in the back. Because now we're going to be bringing you this right here is actually a cool trick with filming out here in the back. But if you take a picture of that, if you look at it on screen or even on your camera phones, that would actually look like a real city. But right now we're going to be taking you through our New York street. Very amazing area right here. This again is in our background where the world is literally right around the corner. A lot of cool camera tricks around here. Like number one, as you see, we are turning a little corner right here. At both corners, it actually zigzags, so that way on screen it gives the illusion.
Real life and sweep you up into encountering monsters and creatures. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back.
Most famous picture cars on your left-hand side. Kicking us off, we got Kit from Knight Rider. That's actually for the 2008 remake of Knight Rider. Right next to that, if we have any fans of Magnum PI, we have the very Ferrari right there that was used in Magnum PI. We got some Back to the Future vehicles. And of course, if you never skip leg day, those Flintstone vehicles are just for you. Next to that, we do have some Fast and Furious vehicles. But one of the best horror movies in my personal opinion. Clearly, I'm more talented than all of you. It's fine. So now everyone, welcome back to Jurassic Park. All the vehicles and props you're going to be seeing out here were the props used in the original trilogy of Jurassic Park 1, 2, and 3. For example, on your left-hand side, you're going to be seeing a very large mobile lab. This is the very mobile lab that was used in the Lost World Jurassic Park. That is the second one. And the same... Oh! Was I supposed to warn them about that? That's not in the script. I didn't... Okay, I would have warned them. On your left, you're going to be seeing our pet dinosaur. Her name is Mildred. She's so amazing. So we're going to take you into Old Mexico and show you actually how we utilize our weather effects. We can do anything and everything that we need out here using all of our own things. For example, the thunder you're hearing, we actually use a very brand new technology. I believe it's called speakers. Just came out last week. So we use speakers for that. Now that very flash flood right there, you may recognize that from this scene in Big Fat Liar. The area on your left was also used for the Three Amigos starring Steve Martin, Chevy Chase, and Martin Short, and the not arguable, literally 100% greatest Jack Black film of all time. It's called Nacho Libre. But now we're going to take you from Old Mexico into the Old West. Everyone, welcome to 6 Points, Texas. Now I got the name because back in the silent film era, there were 6 distinct streets out here, each street coming with its own bank, sheriff station, and saloon. So whenever they were filming, they were actually able to film 6 different scenes all at the same time right out here. This area is actually known as Little Europe. This is the birthplace of a number of movie monsters actually started right out here. Movie monsters such as Dracula, Wolfman, the Invisible Man, we've had Frankenstein. But now, if we can, everyone do me a favor. We're going to be going onto a hot set, which means everything is all set up for filming. So do me a favor and hold on tight to all of your belongings, your phones, the stuff you bought, and your children, only if you love them. Oh. Sorry about that. No need to worry. Let's keep going. Oh, okay. All right, everyone, hold on tight. no one got wet on that one, right? Like no one's feet. If your feet did get wet, do not worry. This tour is sponsored by both. That was the earthquake. Okay. This is the real earthquake. I think we've had enough of terrible disasters. Let's take a trip to our favorite beach in the world. It's Amity Island. Wait a minute. What is happening?
Shark! Shark! Shark!
That is shark.
Shark! Shark!
Oh no, he died. Oh, that's awkward. Okay. Yeah, we should be fine. Ha. This reminds me of my favorite Nelly song. He was like, it's getting hot in here. Oh, I don't. The rest of the words. We can all take our seats. On your left hand side, you're next to be seeing a lot of production happening out here on our Colonial Street. That greenhouse that you see right there was actually used for the TV show Matlock. That was the original apartment used for Matlock himself. Taking you to the largest exterior set on our back lot. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the set of the Cheetah Girls. I'm so sorry. Welcome to the War of the Worlds.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set.
Sit down to talk about the War of the World. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in
Just so we all know, we are now approximately 10 minutes away from the end of our tour. I'm going to ask this question again because I feel like we can do better this time. Do we have any Fast and Furious fans? Okay. All right. Do we have any Dwayne Johnson fans? My favorite rap albums of all time.
Universal 的这个 Studio Tour 就结束了，还是那种场景，以前我们电视电影看到一些剧本的场景，它有呈现，然后它还会有一些电影片段，通过 3D， 它会给你一个 glass， 就给你一个眼镜，然后通过这个 3D 来呈现，就坐在这个车上 tour car 上，然后去 watch 这个世界上最大的这种3D 的景象。然后它有水的话，它是有真的水喷过来，我衣服啊，有些地方还真的湿了，特别的逼真。衣服全部湿了，这最后就是那种失重的感觉，就是从水里掉下来，我天哪！ 那一下，在我这个年纪，还真的是蛮惊魂的。哇，总算做完了，我好惊魂啊！全部湿了。
Just have your cell phones and cameras ready. We have a blue line. It is.
Your name's Logan. Hi. I like you put the emphasis.
今天我的 Universal 之旅就到此结束了，我现在就回家了。 还是蛮好玩的。我上一次来玩是几年前了，它增加了很多新的内容，就是跟我之前来玩的那种有蛮多不一样的。里面每一个 ride 之前它都会让大家sanitize手，就是手不要消毒。就里面吃东西是比较贵的，我们中午一顿饭，一块披萨它是大概 Costco 大小吧，10个$。 然后Panda Express 一份15块钱，没有选择就只能是2个菜，然后你挑米或者是面，分量也不多，而且我是觉得味道还没有外面的好吃。